Hello guys, we are going to make a normal vlogs. So it's a very sunny day and I'm thinking to fly my drone and get some cinematic shots and do some photography. So let's see. So this is Sagun and this is Usop. We are both excited. So let's go.
ऊ त्यो घाँस भइन्जेको ठाउँसम्म जानुहुन्छ होला
So it's very beautiful. Look at them. Notice me. They're trying to fly now. So guys, we are now in Beckesheim. It's so beautiful here. We did a hour of cycling. Now it's time to drink something. Oh, it's so beautiful. Now I will fly my drone here. We just wait 2 hours for the moon. We could not get any plane in front of it. I tried to track it. I will now wait for 1 hour. So I hope I will get some shot. But I do some of the drone shot and it's very beautiful here. Now I'm also waiting for sunset. So I will post some clips. And we'll wait for 1 hour, so let's see. Guys, so talking about the board photography, I use this Tamron 150 to 600 Z2 lens. You can use 100 to 400 Canon lens or any other lens, and I also use the camouflage like I saw in video. So the basic setting is you will make a ISO from 500 to 1000 depending upon the light, and if you are photographing the boards, then you need to play with your f-stop. I normally put it from 6.3 to 8, and talking about the shutter speed, I always make it like 1/500 or 1/1000. And if you want to photograph board in flight mode, I will suggest you to put it in continuous mode, and then you will make your f-stop more than 8, like 8 to 16, and you also increase your ISO, and you just track the board in the tracking mode. And from this Canon I can click 7 frames per second. If you are a Sony user, then you can click from 12 to 12 frames per second. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's it about board photography. Have fun. Bye bye.